Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assassins now on their way to chase 82 against Wolves. And match and oh, gone! Waqas Butt goes back to the pavilion. Amazing catch by Farooq Khan. Magnificent. What a start. What a start. What a magnificent start. Shell shock for sure. That's a perfect start for any team. And this is the second time Wolves have taken a wicket on the first delivery. Previous one against Panthers, Asif Tiger. And Farooq was still involved in that catch and bowl. And once again Farooq. Shiraz Khan. That wasn't a bad shot. But the catch was magnificent and unfortunately hey. Excellent start by Wolves. They could not have asked for a better start here. And test of character for Assassins. Shiraz Khan now comes into picture. Quite a lot of chatter there. Masalan bowling to well played towards the square leg ball, running away for 4. Shiraz opens his account with style. कोबरा दी आखिरी मैच better delivery, faster one, dot ball. I think this will be an interesting game now. It won't be easy. Lots of pressure on the captain, and can Shiraz execute a big innings here today? Playing with the focus and single taken. Now the most important person of this innings, the captain Zishan Dawood. He needs to play yet another captain's innings. He has been in good form. He has the talent, he has the focus, and he has the leadership skills. They need him to fire. If he gets a 28, that will have a good platform for the incoming batsmen. We still have quite a few batsmen coming in. They have RJ Fahad and they have Irfan Zafar. Lupi. Should be a wide ball, and it's a wide. Welcome runs. Oh, inside edge, ball running away, and that's 4. That's the end of the over. It's 7 for 1. हाँ जी, जून 4 दी हो जाएगी इनसे. हाँ जी, ऐसा नहीं, अरे तो टाइम पे है. Will be the next bowler. It's very critical. Good first over, 7 for 1. Farooq Khan comes in. plenty of discussion. It's not a bad start. They've still managed to get 7 runs. The required run rate is 8.22, still achievable. Couple of lads from Assassins need to raise their hand and need to say, yes, we can make 28. Especially these two lads, Shiraz Khan and the captain, both are senior players. They know what is at stake. If they win the match, they are through to the semi-final. If they lose it, they're out. And Assassin's batting has been, as compared to bowling, linchpin for them. UP play towards long off, should be just a single. Imperative that if anything else, Nishan Daud stays there at least till the 5th or 6th over. Shiraz, he likes to hit towards the mid wicket. What will happen? UP, and should be a dot ball. Good hit over extra cover and gone for 6. Good omen for Assassins. Shiraz playing very well and looks firm. Now he needs to convert this 15 into a 30 to retire out. Excellent hit over extra cover, running away for 4, and he continues that onslaught to the offside. Shiraz looks in firm control, and I'm a bit mind boggled here why Farooq, who has a deep mid wicket, is bowling towards the 5th or 6th stump. Again, I think it's a mistake. Long off has been taken out, long on is in. What's the point of having a deep mid wicket if you have one long off and the other deep mid wicket? Arun bhai, मैं देखूंगा एक long off एक mid wicket doesn't make sense. यहाँ तो है रखिए और extra cover रखिए. Farooq Khan, flatter, excellent hit towards covers. My goodness, 23 of 8 delivery. Shiraz Khan is on a mission here. Magnificent stuff. Farooq Khan completely clueless. 15 runs and still 1 ball to go. Under pressure here, definitely under pressure. Shiraz Khan, 23. Can he smash another one here? Whoopi, completely missed. Keeper misses it. Should be a bye. And 2 remains to be seen, bye or leg bye. 2 byes. That was a magnificent delivery. That's the end of the over. So the effort of the first over is completely wasted, I must say. 24 for 1. The run rate has been resurrected, and the first wicket of the first ball of this innings seems like ancient history for Assassins. They are on the move, and good news for them is that the captain Nishan Daud still is on 1. It would mean that he can still contribute if he plays till the end. 27 more runs. Shiraz Khan is on 23 and 9 deliveries, 4 fours and 1 6, a strike rate of 255.56. Zahir Shah comes in. Now 2 things will happen now. Either Zahir will strike or the run rate will go up. Pace does have such effect in Super 8, and in interesting, very interesting. Plenty of changes here. Circle is open. We have a long off outside the circle, long on outside the circle. We have deep mid wicket outside the circle. We have a third man outside the circle. So the two players who are inside the circle are cover and point. Ishan Daud on strike here. The captain now a bit of comfortable position as compared to the first over, and punch towards cover. There is protection there and a dot ball. I think Zishan should now try to take his time to develop a partnership from his end. The partnership is already 30 runs. Why is it 30 and it's being shown as 24 for 1? Because the first ball wicket pushed Assassins into -6 for 1. Zahir running in from over the wicket. Appeal for LB, the umpire not amused here, and leg by, I believe, the ball. Zahir to Shiraz. Made a miss. Zahir running into Shiraz. Again a play and a miss. Hawks are out of the tournament, and they will play Wolves in the next match. Wolves need to win this one if they need to stay alive in the tournament. And after that, the last match of the day, last match of the night between Titans and Cobras. My goodness, what a hot match would that be. Shiraz. It should be another dot ball. Shouldn't be a problem. Still, the required run rate is still 7.81. Very comfortable position. अच्छी sir. हाँ यार, चेक करा लो, ऐसे ही पता लगता है. Edge running away for third man, where is protection. Bit of fumble there, but still a single, which was always on the cards. That's the end of the over. 3 over 26. मैं भी टेबल टेनिस बड़ा अच्छा खेलना था, तो एक बारी एक मेरा ओपोनेंट सी के खिलाफ में मैच हार गया. एक मेरा ओपोनेंट सी टेबल टेनिस से ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਮੈਂ ਮੈਚ ਹਾਰ ਗਿਆ. ਮੈਨੂੰ ਯਕੀਨ ਹੀ ਨਾ ਆਏ. मैंने फील है मेरे रिफ्लेक्स सेक्शन स्लो हो गए ने. जाके चेक कराया तो पता लग गया आँखें वीक हैं. नहीं, मैं ग्राउंड के अंदर और डेली वाली लेंस पहन ली है नहीं. छोटी खत्म. एक्सेलेंट सर, एक्सेलेंट. टेक्नोलॉजी बड़ी आगे आ गई है सर. Salik Shah comes into the attack. Will he bowl a spin or will he bowl his medium pace? Remains to be seen. I would rather say he should bowl the spin, but I don't know why he's comfortable with the fast delivery. Shiraz Khan is on 24 from 13 deliveries. बेहतर है चेक करा लो. Played and a miss. देखो अगर नहीं करोगे तो और डिटीरिएट होएगी. Played and a miss again. Fighting competition between Shiraz. I think Shiraz is pushing himself a bit too much here. Sometimes the adrenaline rush gets the best of you. Big one! And should be a 6. Or will it be a 4? It's a 6. Thank you! Shiraz Khan has played a magnificent innings there. Sir, boy batsman. Adil Sultan walks in. He is a good batsman. The required run rate is 7.54. 50 runs required from 39 deliveries. Good delivery. Now, Assassins are back on their normal track. They have still quite a batting to come. RJ Fahad and Irfan Zafar to mention. And a very intelligent tap towards covers misfield. And 2 runs taken. That is poor fielding by Arsalan. Played a miss, should be a dot ball. That's the end of the over. यार उन्हें दे दे और रोजेदार है. किधरों आएगा किधरों? निशान ले ले. निशान निशान आप ही लो. You need wickets. अच्छा ये मैंने देखा है पहली बारी नहीं होया ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਨਾਲ और मानो दूसरी तीसरी दफा होया कि ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪਹਿਲੇ ओवर विकेट ਲੈ ਲੈਂਦੇ ਹੋ ਉਹਦੇ ਬਾਅਦ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਨੀਸ਼ੀਏਟਿਵ ਲੂਜ਼ ਕਰ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਹੋ. Remains to be seen who will be the next bowler. Nabil Masood will bowl the next over here. Is an off spinner if I'm not wrong. Now, Wolves need wickets. Assassins need to ensure they do not give any wicket. Played, and that should be a wide if I'm not wrong. And wide it is. Well taken. Pressure on Nabil Masood. First ball, he has given 5 runs. Ball. Okay. Nobody informed the umpire and changed the fielder. Can the captain go and talk to the umpire now? What we are doing here? फील्डर ने बताया नहीं है आगे ना. ओके, मैं तो एम्पायर में फॉलो करना ना. आई कैन नॉट इंटरफियर. हाँ जी. पार्डन. नबील मसूद. Short ball. That's a interesting question. कि अगर पिछले ओवर में वो हो गया, can you revisit it or not? टैप इन सिंगला बात आपकी ठीक है. अगर सर्कल के अंदर अगले ओवर में आपको याद आया. लेकिन प्रॉब्लम ये है कि सर्कल के बाद तो परसिस्टेंसी ख़त्म हो जाती है ना. यहाँ पे तो वो बंदा अभी भी मौजूद है बगैर. मैं उस पर भी मानता हूँ. आप मुझे चले है ना, वो आ जाएगा, अभी आ जाएगा. तो पिछले 6 ओवर को play towards extra cover. There is protection there. छह बॉलिंग उसमें बॉलिंग ठीक है. वो बैटिंग टीम कह सकती है तो हम पीछे जा ही नहीं रहे. तो पीछे जाना गलत है. दोनों अंपायर का कलेक्टिव डिसीजन है. इट्स नॉट लाइक वन अंपायर मेड. लेकिन यहाँ पे पता क्या था, वार्निंग बनता डिसीजन नहीं बनता. Misfield, poor fielding. Who is the guilty party this time? Farooq Khan. Wolves need wickets. All the deliveries even so far bowled by their bowlers are not wicket-taking deliveries. Their bowling penetration is very poor. Fielder यार आपने उधर खड़ा किया हुआ है, आप उसको दे फिफ्थ स्टंप कर रहे हैं. Why? Should be a catch. JP not reach that, a bit far away from him. Five overs, 47 for 1. Wickets required. Wickets required for Wolves. ऐसा लगे उधर पहुंचाओ यार, पीछे भी साउंड ट्रैक सिंग गम सिंग। और अगला मैसेज है, मैच अवॉर्डेड टू टाइटल्स। Remains to be seen who will be the next bowler in. Zahir Shah will come in. चल आ रहा है भाई। Dishan Daud is still on 3 runs from 5 deliveries, which shows that the other players have done well. Zahir, wide ball, running away for 4. Okay. इसको put together बुलावर यहाँ होता है ना, जैसे एक्चुअली बॉल बैटिंग में होता है, बड़ा फर्क पड़ता है। ये लैग सिंगल बॉल poor start from Zahir Shah, and Assassins running away with it now. Aiming for LB, going towards leg side, and should be a leg by. Waiting for the umpire's decision here. Leg by. Oh भाई हेलो, मेंटल बॉक्स से निकल गए। Quick single taken. नहीं ड्रामे कर रहे हैं। साढ़े 5 तो वुल्व्स के पास बॉलिंग की पेनिट्रेशन भी नहीं है। ये एक फाइटर बॉलर आपके पास, ये एक फाइटर बैट्समैन। Wolves throughout, this is their 5th match, and I'm being blunt here in my assessment. Their bowling has been well below par. None of their bowler has raised his hand and consistently performed for his captain. So this goes back to the bidding part where the captain had certain expectation. Okay, fair enough. Nice, sir. Zahir running in. Tapped intelligently towards cover. Just a dot ball. Sir, it's 25 runs to win from 25 deliveries. Absolutely no pressure on Assassins. Run a ball. Punch towards cover again, another dot ball. That's the end of the over. सालिक शाह ओवल के लिए भी कच्चा है. शाह फैसल अब्बा ये पता नहीं येलोस वाले क्यों उसको करके बैठे हैं. सालिक, did a catch or not? Drop by Arsalan. कौन इधर गया? Shiraz is struggling. He's on 5 from 8 deliveries. Sorry, Zishan. Because Adil Sultan will keep on playing like this. Yes, Salam. लेकिन Salik Shah, what a catch, and what good reflexes and good luck as well.
Straight to his face.
Shan Daud not happy with this. हाँ जी, एक अब Irfan Zafar comes into picture. अच्छा क्या कहना चाहिए सर? पर वैसे ऑफर करने लगे यार, मैं रेड्स की कप्तानी हूँ, मुझे मुर्शद शकील भाई को क्या आप रिटायर हो जाए, बंदा मिल गया। से पूछ सके भाई आपने किस पोजीशन में क्या किया? Well bowled as per field, single taken.
आपका ये सामने बॉलिंग चुका है, आपका ये स्लैश चुका है।
अब बॉलर बेचारा क्या करे? Quick single taken. That's the end of the over. So now the equation is 27 in 3 overs. सुपर एक ऐसा फॉर्मेट है जिसमें जब जिस टाइम पे बैट्समैन कहेगा ना कि यार आई थिंक हम जीत रहे हैं, ऐसे बाप रहे हैं।
आपको याद होगा कौन सी सुपर 8 था?
God bless you यार।
मैच टाई हुआ था, ये लोग टिक टिक कर रहे थे, आखिरी बॉल पे आउट हो गए।
अच्छा जी, नबील मसूद, आई थिंक दिस इज बिट ऑफ रिस्क। तो साले भी लेग स्पिनर था, सुपर 8 में हर कोई नया टैलेंट। दैट शुड बी अ वाइड बॉल। हाँ जी, फिर आज मुझे कह रहे थे, कहते हैं मैंने बड़ा लर्न किया है। मैंने कहा यार डोंट वरी, मैं किसी भी कैप्टन को नहीं चेंज करूँगा। Very strict. There's no match. Play towards mid wicket, should be a single. इमेजिन करो इसमें सीरीज आदमी मैंने से कहा यार अपनी है दुकान तो ऑफिस जाओ, आई डोंट वांट टू साउंड। मैंने कहा यार आई एम, मैं तुझे कह रहा हूँ तू मुझे बता। कहता है आई एम नॉट अ डूशबैग। मैं कहा यार आई एम अ डूशबैग। मैं तुझे कह रहा हूँ कि तुम स्पेशलिस्ट। हाँ, मैं कहा यार मैं इधर पॉपुलैरिटी कॉन्टेस्ट के लिए नहीं आया, तू मुझे बता तूने क्या करना। Very intelligently played and single. Now, when you have such a run chase where you require 22 or 14 deliveries, that's not a comfortable position, mind you, for the batting team. Because even if you require 8 or 9 runs in the last over, and suddenly a wicket falls down, you will find yourself in trouble. Nabil. Can this be a 6? A big one! That's a 6, Adil Sultan. Belki kendine sesin kaldı. ताकि अगर खुदा ना खास्ता है भी हारेंगे। Very intelligently played by Adil Sultan towards mid wicket. Really impressed by Adil here. He's done well. That's the end of the over. Walaikum assalam. Last 2 overs left and 15 runs required. Who will be the next bowler? Will it be Farooq Khan? Yes, it will be Farooq Khan. Tell you what, either the match will be more or less over in this over, or they'll come back. This is the key over. So this means they have decided to give the last over to Arsalan, which is fair enough. He's a left arm bowler. Now, where do we have the field? We have a field at deep square leg, deep mid wicket, long on and long off. Farooq Khan must bowl on the leg side, not the off side. Coming in from over the wicket. There towards the square leg, there is protection there. Babar. And just a single. Now this will be interesting because Irfan Zafar will fancy hitting couple of hits because this will be an off spin for him. Square leg comes in, which is now the point, and deep mid wicket for Irfan Zafar, deep square leg, the same position more or less which was there for Adil Sultan is also being implemented for Irfan Zafar. Irfan Zafar will fancy his chances towards long on and cow corner. Let's see. Very well played, very well bowled. 14 of 10 deliveries. Platter. That's a poor delivery and gone for 4. That's a bad delivery. इतनी अच्छी bowling तो नहीं है. Why would you? Poor selection of ball. Poor selection of ball. That's not the line, nor the length, nor the pace you should be bowling, especially when you are getting respect from the batsman. What this 4 has done is it has brought down the required run rate to exact 6. Coming from round the wicket. Now this will be interesting again because it will angle in better, and a single taken. No 8 बॉलों पे ये असैसन जितना इजी ले रही है ना, गले पड़ा Arsalan, left arm spinner. Farooq, can he take a wicket here? Oh, clean ball! Clean ball! That's the wicket! That's the wicket which was required. Farooq Khan, you beauty. 15 from 7. Now we have a game at hand. Welcome to Super-8. Gone? Gone. Now who's the batsman coming in? RJ Fahad comes in. Nahi. 7 balls, 15 runs. 7 balls, 15 runs required. 7 balls, 15 runs. We have a game in our hands. सर जी सुपर 8 में आपको कोशिश करनी चाहिए कि आप सेकंड लास्ट ओवर में ना अपना टारगेट क्रॉस कर लें। लास्ट बॉल फारूक खान, कैन ही टेक अनदर वन हियर? आरजे फाद drives it to cover and gone. That's a wicket, my goodness. थ्रो किसने की है? थ्रो किसने की है? आए हुए। My goodness, the match has changed. The match has completely changed now. Why would you want to take a risk? The 21 runs required now in last 6 balls. Wolves on the move. Sir, ਇਹਨੂੰ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਸੁਪਰ 8. Batsman is Nisar Khan. 21. Last over, Arsalan Khan. Can he hold the fort here? What an exciting match. हाँ बाहर क्यों जाने हैं टेंशन? अच्छा है ना, टीम वर्क सर, टीम वर्क. No need to take this last risk single. Why would you want to take this? Nisar Khan, 21 runs required of 6 balls. Assassins fighting. Last 6 ball will differentiate between their semi-final. Single taken. Things not looking up for Assassins here. Loopy, and should be just a single. Irfan Zafar deciding to stay there. 20 runs in 4 deliveries. I have a panel of experts with me: Zain Bhatt, Khabar Sheikh, Muhammad Haroon and Amir. I think they are unanimously saying it's difficult. Let's see, can Irfan Zafar Bonga has missed an opportunity here to widen the deficit, and three balls, 18 runs, or a wide ball or something. Arsalan, 3 balls, 18 runs. Can Wolves do an upset here? Wide. Three balls, 15 runs. Super-8. कोई तो बैठ के सोचता होगा कि खोचल ने फॉर्मेट सेट किया. वालेकुम अस्सलाम जी. सैसन कह लो 15 गेंद 15 चाहिए हूँ 2 गेंद 14 चाहिए. कितों नहीं कितों आया. सिंगल. अगर ये हॉक्स को हरा देते हैं बुरी तरह तो फिर लास्ट बॉल be 2 or a single. That's the end of the match. And Assassins are more or less gone. Congratulations to Wolves for a good victory in time. And we'll be back with the first innings of the next match soon.